As with any language, you'll probably find yourself needing to work with variables in your scripts. They're named with a sequence of alphanumeric characters, and the names must start with a letter. To declare a variable, I'll type its name directly followed with an equal sign, directly followed with a value. Note that there's no spaces. If you put spaces around the equal sign, you'll get an error when you run the script. Likewise, if your variable is a string with spaces in it, such as good morning, you'll need to put that string in quotes in the variable declaration. Of course, a variable could also be a number. So to use these variables, we call them with a $ in front of their name. So I'll save that, and I'll run it at the command line. And we can see the values printed out there. These variables also work inside of other variables or strings if they're double quoted. And again, I'll save and run. And here I have a string that has variables included in it. Of course, that can be very handy for generating output to the standard out, for a string you use in a file name or something like that, or to a log file. You can give variables special attributes if you like, using the declare keyword. Declare I in front of the variable marks that variable as an integer. Declare R before a variable marks it as a read-only. That means that it can't be modified later arithmetically or with string manipulation. You can also convert arbitrary strings to lowercase or uppercase with -l and -u respectively. There are some special variables to be aware of too. I've listed a few of them here with the output from both my Mac and my Linux machine. There's home, which returns the user's home directory, pwd, which returns the current directory, just like the lowercase pwd command does at the bash command line, mock type, which returns the machine type, which could come in handy for determining file locations if you're writing a script to work on different platforms. There's host name, which returns the system name, bash_version, which returns the version of bash running on the box, and seconds, which returns the number of seconds a bash session has been running. If you type echo seconds at the command line, you'll see how long that session has been open. But if you use seconds in a script, it'll start counting from when the script started. That can be handy for timing things. Another variable, $0, contains the name of the script. There's a bunch more too, and you can explore them here. Variables are everywhere in scripts, so it's important to have a good handle on them.